Dominican Republic, and we're here at Carnival's cruise port, which is called Amber Cove. And I knew nothing about this island before we showed up, and I am so shocked at how beautiful it is. And so I'm gonna show you all there is to offer here, take you on a tour with my kids, show you how much fun they're having, and hopefully you guys will get an insider look into what Amber Cove is all about. So stay tuned, and I will be sharing more about this really gorgeous island.
So we got off the ship pretty early in the morning, and it was an easy walk over to the port. Good news is, if you don't feel like walking, there are bike taxis that'll take you to the port as well. But I would say it's probably about a 10-minute walk. Once we got to the port, we walked over to the right, which is where most of the main attractions are, and you will see some vendors and a restaurant there. We decided to pick up a coconut since the girls have never tried one before. One thing to note is that you will need to bring your own money onto the island. So I was really impressed with the island overall. There was so much to do for families. There was so much space. There was no problem finding a beach chair or a shady spot. The pool here is enormous, so there is plenty to do for families. We spent a majority of our day in the little kids area, which had these 3 little slides, some splash areas, and as you can see, our kids just had a blast. There also is a giant pool. I thought that it had a lazy river, which it does have a river that goes along the pool, but there is no like jets pushing you along. So you just have to walk or float or whatever way you choose to go around the water. But it is really nice because you can find a quiet area along the side in several different areas of the pool, which makes it really nice. This is the more popular area, which is the swim-up bar. Here is the VIP area, so you can rent these cabanas. They're really beautiful. But we just spent most of our time swimming, and the girls really enjoyed the pool, the big pool, and the lazy river area. One of our favorite things, which we almost didn't do, was to go up to the sky bar up on a hill at the top of the island. The views here were incredible, so I would definitely suggest doing this. It was not crowded at all. I think a lot of people didn't know about this area. It is a bar, so not necessarily the most kid-friendly, even though we did bring our kids, but definitely worth a visit. We loved Amber Cove. The landscaping was absolutely beautiful on the island. I didn't expect this at all. We loved this island. And overall, a really great day. I would highly suggest this cruise port when you visit with your family. There's just so much to do and a lot of things to do that are free, which is really awesome.